Hello people, it's board exam season, and I know you're in a tough phase of your JEE preparation, managing JEE along with your boards. I am Ashlyn, second year student at NIT Calicut, and I scored 483 in board exams and 97.72 percentile in January attempt. In April, I was not able to make it to 99 percentile because of some major mistakes which I made. I'll be sharing those and some other strategies as well. At the end, I have a secret tip which I am using currently in my college also to make my day more productive, which you can utilize in your JEE preparation as well. Without wasting any of our time, we'll start with physics. This weekend we have physics board exams, and you have to cover 100% syllabus to excel in JEE mains. Utilize these 4 days to finish the left out chapters in 12th. I would recommend you to read the NCRTs of these chapters. Take a screenshot, and this will help you both in JEE mains as well as in board exams. For JEE, you must go deeper. Just formulas won't help here. As you know, physics was not easier like 2024 and 23. So I recommend you doing previous year questions of 2021 and 22 of class 12 portions thoroughly before your board exams. And take at least one mock test. This was the biggest mistake I did in my time. I was not taking mock tests and I completely lost track of JEE mains when this board exam preparation started. So you have to have the JEE mains question solving with the marks, and you have to do the subjective paper using the CBSE previous year questions. These both should go hand in hand. You have to have the experience of subjective paper experience to score good in board exams. Major things which helps out in board exams is to noting out every definitions and derivations together. This will help a lot in the last minute, and I am planning to make a one shot on that. If you need that, you can let me know in the comments and subscribe and stay tuned. Speaking about numericals and MCQs, it will be very easy for you because you are already preparing for JEE, and on the day before board exams, get mentally prepared for the subjective paper. See more previous year CBSE question papers, and I'll attach every CBSE previous year questions in the description. You can check out that, and this will help you score both in boards as well as in JEE. Next, you have chemistry. Increased number of statement-based questions and assertion reason, roadmap problems in organic chemistry, lengthy problems in physical chemistry. These were the new trends in 2025 JEE main paper, and the only way to cover this is NCRT. I have made a video on physical chemistry one shot in 45 minutes. You can check out that. And P block one shot also I have made it. You can check that as well. I'll be making more one shots like this in this channel. You can stay subscribed and stay tuned. But specifically speaking for board exams, you can utilize these days to maximize your preparation for both board exams and JEE. Like take a piece of chart and divide it into two portions. The top portion is for the reactions and reagents of preparations, and in the bottom part write the chemical reactions of every chemical properties. In NCRT there are lot of reactions listed. You have to note everything in this chart. In this way you'll be preparing both for board exams and JEE, and this will be a revision tool for your JEE main April attempt as well. This way you will be studying both for JEE and board exams. Next, during the gap between this, you have to note and read thoroughly D and F block elements as well, because this time there were good questions from D and F block elements, but everything was based on NCRT. Along this, you must solve previous year questions of 2025, 23 and 24 if you haven't solved it, and one mock test in the gap between these. Analyze the mock test as well and solve CBSE previous year questions for board examination preparation. As I said, I will be attaching everything in the description and you can check that out. After chemistry, we have a 8-day gap for mathematics. If you are someone who is very weak in maths and you are not able to score well in January, don't worry, because most of the students are like that, and you have to play a smart game here, because if you are investing more and more time in maths, you will be losing time for physics and chemistry. And I know many NEET aspirants who are currently studying at NIT Calicut because of just physics and chemistry. You can score well 99% using chemistry and physics, but if you are focusing more on maths, you will be losing track in physics and chemistry. So for maths, you can do only the top chapters like vectors and 3D, then statistics from class 11 and matrices and determinants. These topics are more repetitive and easier to do also. So focus on these chapters in these 8 days, and for board exams, do as many previous year questions as possible. And next, after maths, you have computer science and English left. Those are very easy subjects, and for that also, make dedicated 2 to 3 hours every day, and you work on that for board exams. Rest of the day completely devote to cover the 11th class physics, chemistry, maths, like whichever topics is left out there, make sure that you cover those and take mock tests regularly. Without mock tests, you cannot score better in JEE main April attempt. That is the only main point of this video. Take mock tests, revise, analyze, and know where you are lagging behind, know which chapter you have to improve, and improve it all along. And I'll be concluding this video with one time management tip which helps me even in college, which is plan your tomorrow before you go to bed tonight. Which chapter you are going to revise, when you are going to take mock tests, which previous year question are you going to solve, when are you going to take CBSE previous year question, and everything. And do this every day, and you will see getting more productive and effectively managing both board exams and JEE mains. And yeah, that's for this video, and until next time, keep hustling. Bye.